Alright, so you see the title of this video, and that's pretty much what happened. So yeah, if you see the title of this video, that is pretty much what happened. So if you know, several years ago I was diagnosed with LCD, light chain deposition disease, which is a blood cancer that had killed my kidneys. So after stem cell transplant and chemo, went into remission, and so finally I was on the kidney transplant list. I've been doing dialysis, so finally last Sunday I got a call that I was number 1 on the list for kidney, and if I could come in within the hour. So went in there, had all kinds of tests overnight. I had EKG, over 20, probably 25 of those little vial lab draws and everything, x-rays, did dialysis in the morning, then went into surgery and got a new kidney. And I haven't been to dialysis since. But, now I'm just recovering, so it's going to be a while before I can even go ride again or do anything. Can't really get around much right now, and it does hurt to get around, but yeah, I feel a lot better though, as far as don't have any clouded, before you're all clouded, you're tired all the time, you swell up a lot, and so, but yeah, all that's I feel a lot better there. I just can't get around, not allowed to lift more than 10 pounds, for several months, and even after that it's not going to be much more for a while. So yeah, so I got a kidney, but yeah, probably not going to be doing anything with the bikes or anything for a while. Yeah, it was good timing, because since I moved, I was just dropping off the U-Haul truck, and I just moved everything out of storage. I had 2 storage bins, or two storage units, and I had just emptied everything that day, and a full day of moving all that stuff, and I just dropped the truck off and was coming back home. So I haven't been able to unpack it, but at least I've gotten everything out of storage units, so I don't have to pay for them anymore. But yeah, then they called me and I went in, so I can show you. I still have the staples in still right now. Let's see. Right there. So yeah. So yeah, so that's why I probably won't be around for a while, or if it is, I probably won't be doing any dirt bike stuff.